Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 50 action words. Present tense and in the form of past and in the form of past participle. Before going to explain this, I just want to tell some points about present tense. Present tense means it shows an action that happens now, daily or always. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವ, ನಿತ್ಯ ನಡೆಯುವ ಅಥವಾ ಈಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಈಟ್ ಫುಡ್, ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್? ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಡೆದ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಏಟ್ ಫುಡ್, ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Okay, next past participle. Past participle is used with has or have or had and in the passive voice. Past participle ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಈಟನ್ ಫುಡ್, ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ 50 ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪಲ್. ಬಿಗಿನ್, began, begun. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Come, came, come. Do, did, done. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Okay, next word is present. Grow, past grew, past participle grown. Grow, grew, grown. See, saw, seen. Sing, sang, sung. Speak, spoke, spoken. Next word, take, took, taken. Wear, wore, own. Write, wrote, written. Choose, chose, chosen. Cut, cut, cut. Drive, drove, driven. Draw, drew, drawn. Okay, next word. Present, past, past participle. Fly, flew, flown. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Freeze, froze, frozen. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Loss, lost, lost. Wake, woke, woken. Cost, cost, cost. Feed, fed, fed. Lead, led, led. Okay, lead, led, led. Next word, light, lit, lit. Ring, rang, rung. Sell, sold, sold. Stick, stuck, stuck. Strike, struck, struck. Spill, split. Spelt, spelt. Slide, slid, slid. Shine, shone, shone. Fix, fixed, fixed. Help, helped, helped. Open, open, open. Next word, present tense, past participle. Play, played, played. push, pushed, pushed, rest, rested, rested, stop, stopped, stopped, talk, talked, talked, enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed, fill, filled, filled, take, took, taken, win, won, won, asked, 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 close, closed, closed. Total 53 action words are here in this video. Thanks for watching my videos, friends. Thank you.